it's Daniela again, and we're going to try and make some burritos today with an ingredient I've never tried this with. I normally try it with like with kale, but this is cabbage, white cabbage. So we're going to try and roll that up. And the ingredients we're going to use, basically this for the wrap, some arugula, some red pepper, some cucumber, and this is like a field cucumber because they're organic and fresh and beautiful and lovely. And I've got shallots. You can use coriander if you want to. I'm currently not into coriander. I prefer the parsley, although coriander is a fantastic chelator. So it'll draw out all the bad minerals out of you, you know, the heavy metals that you don't want. They'll pull it right out. So use as much as you want, whenever you want, with whatever you want. So that's always a good choice. I've got an avocado. I have got a lime, and here we are, we've got some beautiful chilies, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different kinds. Now there are about 400 different chilies actually, so you have a lot to choose from, and they all come in different hotnesses, grades of being hot, I guess, yes. And I think for me this one will do, because all of these are like for 3, 4, 5 chilies, and this one is like a number 2, so I can just about live with that. And then I've also got some chives, which are for decoration but also for taste. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go mash the avocados up, sort of like a guacamole. I'm going to chop in some of the shallot and add the chives, and I might add something else, maybe a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, but I think that's it. So I'm gonna go mix that up and I'll be right back. So okay, so I've put the avocado in here. I'm gonna just add my chives. No. Okay, put that over there. I'm going to squeeze some lime in there. I've just put some sea salt on there. I'm not using the Himalayan salt today. There we go. Alright. So I'm going to just mush this up. Keep mushing away until this is sort of like a good paste. Okay, so I sliced the jalapeno pepper real fine. I'm going to put this in. So I've mashed down the avocado with the lemon, or with the lime rather. I've put some sea salt, and I'm going to I've added the scallion finely chopped as well, and now I'm going to add the jalapeno. So I'm going to mix this all through. This is going to be my sauce. Okay. And this is great. I'm going to add a pinch of pepper in a minute as well. So we don't need this. This we're going to need, and that we're going to need. So I'm going to chop these. Okay, so I have cut my cucumber into slices like so. So first I've peeled them lengthwise, and then I cut them like that. And I've done this with my red peppers as well. So these are going to go in, and here's my first sheet. Now what I've done here is basically I've taken out this bit here, so I've just cut it and pulled it off a little bit to make this slightly more pliable. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to put this down like so, and I've put a bit of parsley in there as well, finely chopped. I'm going to take some of the arugula, put that in here, because I love that taste. That is just such a good taste. And I'm going to put some of the paste on top. Not too much. So like so. You can see this. And I'm going to add some of my cucumbers, because that makes it nice and crunchy. And then I'm going to be adding some of the peppers. It's a lot easier actually with kale, but if you don't have the stuff, you can't make it. And the art is not to have everything, but to try and make something out of what you have, right? So let's do that today. And I think those are my ingredients. Okay, so set this here like that. Put a little bit more salt. Okay. And now I'm going to fold this in on the side. Hoping you can see this. Fold this over and just turn it in. Turn it in like this. And all you have to do now basically is just cut it. And there you go. There's your burrito. And I'm going to taste this. This is very good. Very good. I would say that the wrap is actually a lot tastier if you use the kale. So this is just a different way of making a burrito, and I'm gonna go and eat that right now.